Welcome to this course on how to use generative AI to transform your productivity and creativity. In today's world, artificial intelligence is no longer just a concept. It's a practical tool you can use every day. And among the most powerful areas of AI is what we call generative AI, the ability for machines to help you create. Whether it's content, ideas, documents, visuals, or solutions, generative AI gives you the power to build, not just analyze. In this course, you'll learn how to use one of the most advanced generative AI tools available, ChatGPT. With just a few well-written instructions, ChatGPT can help you generate emails, reports, outlines, presentations, marketing campaigns, stories, and even technical content. You're going to see how this tool can become your creative partner, thinking assistant, and productivity booster. The beauty of generative AI is that it adapts to your needs. It doesn't require you to be a programmer or a data expert. Instead, it uses natural language, the way you talk, so you can interact with it just like you would with a colleague. You tell it what you want. It gives you suggestions. You refine those ideas together. That's the workflow we'll build throughout this course. You'll also understand how to use ChatGPT across both your personal and professional life. Whether you're a freelancer, a marketer, a team leader, a content creator, or someone who just wants to work smarter, there's something here for you. We'll look at common challenges you face every day, like writing emails, planning social posts, researching topics, building presentations, and show you how to complete them faster and better with AI. In the next segments, we'll break down each major skill area step by step. You'll not only see how to use ChatGPT, you'll learn how to think with it. That's the real transformation. So let's begin our journey into the world of generative AI and discover how you can unlock more value, more clarity, and more results with this revolutionary tool. Understanding this process empowers you to solve real problems. For example, let's say you're writing a report and you're stuck. You can ask ChatGPT to suggest headings, build out your points, or rewrite sections in a more professional tone. If you're developing content, it can help you organize your thoughts, improve your grammar, or adjust for your audience. It's like having a collaborative editor sitting beside you, one that's always available and never distracted. By mastering prompt design, you're not just learning how to use a tool, you're learning how to think strategically with AI. And that's a skill that will only become more valuable as this technology becomes more embedded in daily work. One of the clearest benefits of using ChatGPT is increased productivity. You'll be amazed at how much faster you can complete tasks that used to take hours. Writing emails, preparing proposals, summarizing meeting notes, outlining plans. All of these can be sped up dramatically. Let's take a real example. You need to send a follow-up message after a meeting. Instead of staring at a blank screen, you can prompt ChatGPT with something like, "Write a friendly follow-up email after a client meeting that mentioned new product features and a pricing discussion." Within seconds, you'll have a complete draft you can refine and send. You can also use ChatGPT to plan your day, structure your to-do list, and even automate recurring writing tasks. If you work with documents, contracts, reports, memos, ChatGPT can help simplify, summarize, or rephrase them. And the tool adapts to your tone and purpose. Want something formal? Just ask. Need something creative or humorous? ChatGPT will match your request. The more you use it, the more you'll realize that the limits are only in how you prompt it. By integrating AI into your workflow, you don't just save time. You gain mental space. You free yourself from repetitive tasks so you can focus on thinking, building, and creating. ChatGPT isn't just a writing assistant, it's a learning accelerator. You can use it to understand new topics quickly, break down complex ideas, or even prepare for presentations and interviews. For example, if you want to learn about sales funnels, just ask, "Explain the stages of a sales funnel with examples." ChatGPT will give you a structured answer that you can refine, apply, or turn into your own notes or slides. You can also use it for active learning. Ask follow-up questions, Have it quiz you, challenge it to rephrase an answer in simpler terms. If you're a student, professional, or lifelong learner, this can dramatically change how you absorb and apply new knowledge. Think of it as your personal tutor, one that's available 24/7 and tailored to your pace. It's especially useful when researching niche topics, synthesizing large documents, or comparing ideas from different perspectives. This ability to quickly explore, understand, and use new knowledge makes ChatGPT an essential tool for personal development and growth. Beyond writing and research, ChatGPT can help solve technical problems. Developers often use it to debug code or understand errors. For example, if you're stuck with a script, paste it into the chat and ask, "Explain this error and suggest a fix." You'll often get a clear breakdown of what's wrong and how to resolve it. You can also use ChatGPT for professional tasks like building workflows, creating standard operating procedures, or translating documents. It can help improve communication across teams, draft onboarding materials, and generate consistent brand messaging. In professions where language, clarity, and documentation matter, like legal, medical, or academic work, ChatGPT helps streamline your process without sacrificing accuracy. It's not just a creative tool, it's a thinking assistant, a problem solver, and a productivity engine that fits into nearly every kind of work. One of the most powerful capabilities of ChatGPT is working directly with your files. You can upload PDFs, Word documents, spreadsheets, and then ask the AI to summarize, extract, rewrite, or analyze. Imagine uploading a 40-page report and simply asking, "What are the top 5 insights from this document?" Or uploading a spreadsheet and asking, "Find errors in this data and suggest fixes." That's now possible, and we'll walk through examples step by step. You can also generate structured documents from scratch. Need a project proposal, a meeting agenda, a product description? Just prompt the AI with a few details, and it will build a usable draft for you. This section of the course shows how to connect ChatGPT to your most important files and let it do the heavy lifting, whether that means reviewing, rewriting, or reformatting content for clarity and speed. Generative AI is no longer just about text. You can now describe a scene and generate images, or upload an image and ask for analysis. This opens the door to creating visual content, mockups, infographics, cover art, and more, using simple prompts. There's also voice capability. On mobile, you can talk to ChatGPT instead of typing and get spoken answers in return. This makes it great for working on the go, hands-free brainstorming, or simply making the interaction more conversational. We'll also look at how ChatGPT fits into mobile workflows, how to use it via apps, connect it with tools you already use, and stay productive whether you're at your desk or on the move. These multimodal capabilities make ChatGPT not just a writing tool, but a full creative and communication platform. As powerful as ChatGPT is, using it wisely matters. You'll learn key best practices for responsible use, like fact-checking, avoiding over-reliance, and maintaining your own creative judgment. We'll also explore how to develop your own prompt library, a collection of proven instructions you can reuse and refine. This helps you become faster, more consistent, and more effective over time. In the end, ChatGPT isn't just another tool. It's a strategic advantage. It helps you think faster, create better, and operate with greater clarity. It's the AI teammate you never had, and now it's here to support your work, your learning, and your growth. So let's take everything you've learned and apply it. Let's use generative AI to work smarter, learn faster, and build more with less effort. You're now ready to make ChatGPT part of your daily success.